Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Dom. Today I'm excited to be showing you around this lovely 2017 67 plate Porsche Cayman. Now this is a lovely car indeed. Main dealer service history, 2 keys, low ownership, finished in GT silver, which is one of the most desirable colours for these cars. Now this particular car has over £6,500 worth of factory options. So let's have a look around it. So coming through to the front end, you can tell the car's been cherished by the previous owners. It's not been raced and rallied, it's not riddled with stone chips. We've got the factory option of the front and rear parking sensors on this one. They don't come as standard, so it's a very nice feature to have. Alloy wheels then, we're riding on these lovely 20-inch satin black Carrera Classic S wheels. They look absolutely ace. They finish and fill the wheel arch fully. You've got the Porsche centre crest on those as well in full colour, and the Porsche badges on the brake calipers. Now, just looking down the side of the car, no signs of any dents, dings, no scratches, no bumper corner scuffs. This is a very well looked after example. Now, we've got tinted glass, electrically deployable spoiler at the back. Now, coming through to the rear, this is quite an aggressive looking car. So we've got the electrically deployable spoiler, we've got the in-colour lower diffuser, so that's a big factory option, and then we've also got the gloss black or the satin black sports tailpipe, so it does give you that lovely burble when you're flicking into sport mode, a nice aggressive note. Now let's have a look inside. So in this car, half leather, half Alcantara sport seats, nice black stitching all throughout the car. The Alcantara just allows the seat to breathe. It's a very grippy material as well, so when you're in the seat you're not sliding here and there. I'll show you through to the front and the back in a second, but Lee, if you jump inside, I'll just show you through to some of the features. So inside, lovely leather upholstered steering wheel. This vehicle has got satellite navigation. We've got full DAB radio, we've got digital dual zone climate control, which is a dual zone climate, so the passenger can have a different climate to the driver. We've also got park folding mirrors on this vehicle. We've got the light design package, so you get the lights all throughout the interior of the car. PDK gearbox, which is one of the biggest options you can get and the most performance orientated. A fantastic drive through the PDK. It's arguably one of the best gearboxes ever made. Now, lastly, just looking through to the storage compartments. So you've got a bit of storage in the boot, so you can get your shopping in there, little bags, coats, jackets if you're going for a leisurely day out. Now in the front is where you get most of your storage, so this is called a frunk. And in there you'll find a Porsche tailored cover for the car, so ideal if you're looking to just put it in your garage when you're not using it, if you're just using it on sunny days. But storage wise, quite a bit of storage. In the sides then, these plastic caps come off. In there is your tyre inflation kit, your locking wheel nut for the wheels. But a lovely car. So if you'd like anything further on the vehicle, give us a call, 01942 231123, or you can email us at sales@alphamotors. Thanks for watching.